What if you could create an income that goes wherever you go? Now, I'm talking about a business that you can run entirely from your phone, whether you're sitting on your front porch with a coffee, relaxing on a boat, or camping by the lake, or halfway across the world. That's exactly what I do. And in this video, I'm going to walk you through the easiest digital side hustle steps for beginners so you can start building an income that's completely location free. And the best part, you don't need tech skills, you don't need a big budget or even product of your own to get started. And by the last step, I'm going to show you the exact program that helped me to go from stupid short for retirement to making over $11,000 weeks, all from my phone. Hey, if we haven't met yet, I'm Wendy, a grandma of 3 from Ontario, Canada. I help fellow midlifers say goodbye to the 9-to-5 grind and hello to a location-free business that you can run entirely from your phone, anywhere, anytime. Before we get started, grab that paper and pen, and I'm going to give you the actual steps. And I want you to write these down because if you're serious about making money online, you need to take action today. And I'm going to guide you through exactly what to do. So before we dive in, I've got something for you. It's my Freedom Formula Blueprint, the same plan that I use to go from stupid short for retirement to earning multiple 6 figures from anywhere. You can download it for free. The link is in the description below. All right, step 1, you need to choose your niche. First things first, you need to know what you're going to talk about, share, or teach online. This is your niche, your area of focus, and the best niches usually come from something that you're already passionate about or you're experienced in. Here's the thing, you didn't make it to 50 without learning a thing or two. You've got skills, experiences, and stories that people want to hear. So think about it. What is something that people always come to you for, like advice on? Could it be gardening, healthy cooking, photography, budgeting? For example, if gardening is your thing, which is not mine, I wish it was. I've got 2 non-green thumbs. You could talk about the best plants for beginners. I would qualify for that. How to grow vegetables in small spaces, or tips even on how to have thriving flower beds. If you're into healthy cooking, maybe you can share easy weeknight meals, how to meal prep for the week, or quick recipes for people with dietary needs. Maybe photography is your thing. You could teach people the basic composition, how to shoot in natural light, or editing tricks for Instagram-worthy photos. If it's budgeting, maybe you guide people on how to pay off debt, save for a big goal, or manage money for retirement. So pick one focus to start. This will help you build that trust and authority faster because people will know exactly what to come to you for. Let's take some action here. If you were to start a channel today, what would your topic be about? Write that down on your piece of paper, okay? I'm going to walk you through these steps. Now we're going to take that niche and turn it into something that people can actually buy from you. You're going to create your own product. Once you've got your niche, it's time to create something that you can sell. This is how you can start making some money, okay? It could be an ebook, a digital course, a printable guide, or a membership. The beauty of digital products is that you can sell them globally, deliver them instantly, and keep 100% of the profit without shipping, inventory, or any high expenses. Like, for example, if your niche is gardening, you could create a digital guide for raised flower bed gardening. If it's healthy cooking, let's say you could make a recipe ebook for 30-minute healthy meals. If it's photography, you could sell a beginner's guide to mastering iPhone photography. If it's budgeting, you could offer a step-by-step debt payoff plan in a PDF format. So you see where I'm going? All right, action step number 2. Ready to get that pen ready? If you could package up one thing you know really well into a digital product, what would it be? Write that down. Give yourself some ideas. Like, honestly, sometimes this is where people get stuck. They love the idea of creating something, but they spin their wheels and never launch anything. That's why in the beginning for me, I chose to start something that was already made and done for me. It was an e-learning program. That way I could skip the initial product creation stage and start building momentum from day one. After I learned the skills, I came back and created my own digital course, and I've even added more revenue streams. If you want to learn more about the program, then you can grab my Freedom Formula Blueprint in the description. It'll show you the exact steps that I took. Then the very next thing that you want to do is to create a simple but valuable freebie, which leads us into step 3. Your freebie is your door opener. It's something valuable that you give away for free in exchange for somebody's email address. It could be something like a checklist of the 5 easiest plants to grow, 3 healthy day meal plan, a guide to 10 must-have camera settings, a budget tracker template. You see how these all connect with what I was talking about earlier? The goal here is to solve a small but real problem for your audience, something that makes them think, wow, if their freebie stuff is this good, their paid stuff must be amazing. All right, action step number 3. Think about your topic. What's one problem your audience has that you could solve with a freebie? Write a few ideas down right now. So in the next step, I'm going to show you exactly how to set up a system so you can connect this freebie to your email, deliver it instantly, and start building that relationship for you, even while you sleep. And yes, it's absolutely free to get started. So get excited. So now let's build that automated system. This is what I call our Freedom Machine. It's where the magic happens. Your automated system is your personal 24/7 assistant. It captures emails, delivers your freebie, and follows up automatically with tips, resources, and offers all through your email marketing. And I do all this on a system called System.io. It's beginner friendly, it's free to start, and you can run it all from your phone. And you can grab a free System.io account in my description below. Inside System.io, you'll see it has pre-built templates where you can easily create your freebie page. You can connect it to your emails and set it up so your emails work on your behalf, connecting your customer to your digital product and educating them along the way. And yes, it's absolutely free to get started for up to 1,000 email subscribers. Action step number 4, create your free System.io account today and start browsing the free templates. You can grab your free System.io account in the link below and just start looking. Remember, it doesn't cost you anything. It's not a monthly subscription. It's free for up to 1,000 email subscribers. So grab it today. Now, this is a really important step. And honestly, it's where a lot of people get stuck. Even though it's free, they just don't know how to do it. That's really why I benefited so much from the course that I took, because it literally gave me the training, the step-by-step instructions, and everything I needed to get my automated system live and running. And here's the thing. In the next step, I'm going to show you how this system connects to your payment platforms so you can make sales from literally anywhere in the world. All right, set up your payment platform. This is the step that makes it all real, like getting moolah. You can connect payment platforms like PayPal or Square directly to your sales page so customers can purchase your digital products instantly. And this is exactly how I've been able to make sales from my phone while playing with my grandkids in Florida. Like, check out this video right here, right? Crazy. Just this past week, we had our 37th wedding anniversary. And while we were driving to our destination, boom, sales came in. So once it's set up, sales can happen anytime, anywhere, even while you're busy living life. That still blows my mind to this day. And in step 6, I'm going to show you how you can take what you've built and scale it to have multiple different income streams. So get pretty excited about that. So now that you have the foundation in place, you've got your niche, you've created your product, you've got your freebie, you've built your automated system, and you've got a way to take payments. This is where it gets exciting because now you can start adding more income streams on top of what you've already built. So let's break that down. If your niche is gardening, you could add a paid membership where you share seasonal planting guides, do monthly live Q&A sessions, or even exclusive behind-the-scenes videos of your own garden. Let's say your niche is that healthy cooking. You could offer a subscription meal plan recipe service, host online cooking classes, or create a cook once, eat all week course that people could buy year round. What about photography? You could create an advanced photography course, sell Lightroom presets, offer one-on-one coaching calls, or run a paid weekend photography challenge. Now, what about the budgeting? You could create a monthly money accountability group, offer private financial coaching sessions, or sell downloadable budget planners and templates. And you know what? The best platform to host memberships, challenges, and communities like this is a platform called Skool. Skool. You can start it for as low as $9 a month, and you can integrate your payment platforms directly inside. It's so simple and it's beginner friendly, and it keeps your community in one organized, easy to use hub. You can even try it for free for 14 days. I have a link in the description for that below too. Take it for a test spin. Just see what you think. I personally have my own community called the Freedom Builders Club. And it's where I teach in-depth ways to grow your YouTube channel, your short form video channels, and how to personally create your own digital product, course, or workshop like we've been talking about, and how you can take that idea that sparked in you that you're writing down and start making money with it. This is the final step, action step number 6. Jot down some ideas for the kind of community that you would build. What would you teach them? What would you call your community? Then grab the free 14-day trial of school that you can find in my description below and actually start taking action on creating that community today. And that way you can start seeing how school works, how amazing it is. School is by far the absolute best way to connect with your customers. So if you want to check out my community, you can find it in the description below as well. We would love to have you. The beauty of this is once you've learned a skill of digital marketing, you can add as many income streams as you want because you'll know exactly how to set them up, how to get them in front of the right people. And remember, all of these can be sold globally, delivered instantly, and managed entirely from your phone. So that means you can grow your income without being tied down to one location and without adding hours and hours of work to your week. So if you want to see how it works and how you can use it to create an income from literally anywhere in the world, I've linked my free class in the description below. So I know this can sound overwhelming, especially if you're new. Like, how does all this work without help? And that's why I created my Freedom Builders Club and why I always recommend the course that I used to get started with that gave me everything I needed. So the training, the tools, the funnels, the steps, and the digital marketing skills to promote anything that I sell. Plus, it gave me 4 different digital products that I could sell and make 100% profit for. It's like a complete business in a box. It is the foundation that I still recommend to this day to beginners because it works. It's the exact system that I used to go from stupid short for retirement to over 650 in my first year, all from my phone. You can see my whole journey by going to this video right here and give it a little watch. And when you partner that what I just taught you in this video, you're going to realize how doable it is for you too. All right, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video, my friends.